Hey guys, welcome to Temitope Bank's channel. So in this video, we're going to be starting a series how to use short form content to grow your brand on social media. So let me tell you guys, the whole social media landscape has changed. Everything has changed. It's not the way it was last year. It's not the same game anymore because of TikTok. TikTok has shown the other social media giants that look, attention span has shifted. Like a lot of people, when was the last time you sat down to watch a long vlog of 40 minutes? Nobody does that anymore. You yourself, when was the last time you said, I just want to watch this person vlog 15 minutes, 40 minutes? It's hard. Most of us, our attention span is as short as 15 seconds. 15 seconds, 60 seconds, that's what we're watching. So the entire social media space has changed. YouTube, they have shorts, Instagram, reels, even Facebook now, reels. I know the beautiful things about short form videos that it's simple, like it's very easy to create. You can create as many as you want in one day, and you can build your brand with it. So for instance, we're starting this series, we're going to be starting with how you can use YouTube Shorts to grow your brand. So YouTube Shorts is the new YouTube feature that was recently released, and you can create 15 seconds video, you can create 30 seconds video. If you are a new creator, or even that you are an established creator that you don't even understand how your platform algorithm is algoritming here, going there, you should be leveraging YouTube Shorts, because there's a way to do it. It's not just to upload any type of videos in order to be able to be effective. So the very first thing in leveraging YouTube Shorts that you need to know is that there's something called the YouTube Short Fund. It's not a lot of money, but it's a money set aside for creators that create short form content. So if you create short form content and you're not yet monetized, your channel, your videos, your short form content can earn some money, not a lot of money, but some type of money. And you can also use it for affiliate marketing and all of that. So, but how can you effectively use YouTube Shorts for your channel? Okay, it depends on your niche, but there are certain things you need to bear in mind. For instance, so first of all, any video you want to use on YouTube Shorts has to be free of watermarks from other platforms. Maybe you created a video on TikTok and you're like, okay, let me just don't just post it on YouTube. Okay, remove the watermark. All right, if you don't know how to remove the watermark, let me know in the comment section, so I will do a tutorial on how you can remove, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, watermark from your videos and post it on YouTube. Okay, so that's another second thing I'm going to say, that I see even me, I've made that mistake. Don't just post shorts that are just generic. Okay, look for a topic in your niche or in the area that you create content that is doing very well, all right, and use the same heading to create your shorts. Yes, when you do that, what that means is that because now currently YouTube is pushing short form videos, they are going to push that video because it has already done well. There's already proof that this video idea or this title idea is doing well. Do you get? So once you create your own short video using that same title, you will see that it will be getting traction, and YouTube will be recommending it because people are already searching for it. So somebody may be watching a long form content of that same title on another person's video, because you are the only one creating shorts, because not a lot of people are creating shorts right now. All right, because you are creating shorts, YouTube is going to push that short. And how is it going to help your channel? So because you are using that keyword, all right, and your short is being pushed, when you will now create like a long form content related to that particular keyword, you will see that it will pick traction. You say, how do you know that? Let me tell you, I have another channel. I used to create a lot of gardening, planting related type of videos before. So before I deleted those videos on my other channel, so one day I was just like, okay, let me create this particular title that I had seen 1 million views and all of that on normal long form content. So I was just testing it out, and in like 2 days that short had like 10,000 views. I was like, what's going on? So at that time, that was like last year, I didn't really understand what I'm explaining to you right now. So when this Yul Edochie thing was trending, I did a long form video. Nobody watched it, like maybe 20 or 30 people watched it, and you guys know that that's nothing. So I was like, okay, let me try short, and I did a short of the same title, and immediately, boom, it had a lot of views. Oh, really? Then when I would now do another video, another long form video after doing that, it had a lot of traction. And I was watching somebody, and the person said the same thing, that use titles that are already doing. I was like, oh, and already this guys, my battery is low, so I'm using my power bank, so I can't use my wireless microphone. So we're back to this anyway. So that's how I discovered it. I'm not a YouTube guru, and I knew this thing like a year ago. It's just that I wasn't sure of my theory. So if you want to create short form content, don't just create any heading out of your head. Look for a heading or a title in your niche that's already doing very well, and create short content around it. It will help to push your channel, all right? It may not be the first day that you posted this that it's, but as time goes on, you see that it's gaining traction, and YouTube will begin to recommend more videos like that on your channel if you are creating that type of channel, that type of video. Another thing you should do if you want to create short form content, don't just create generic short form content, okay? Because you can go and create something that will now blow, that is not related to what you post on your channel, all right? So you want to create content, that's short form content, that is related to what you do on your channel. I find out that the YouTube Shorts tool doesn't have a lot of variety like TikTok. Like TikTok, you have filters, you have a lot of things you can play around and achieve what you want to do. So what I would advise for dynamism, how will I put it now, create your content on TikTok, then use this app that I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to quickly do a tutorial in this video and put it separately and remove the watermark and post it on YouTube, all right? But like I said, use keywords that are doing well, or use titles with keywords that are doing very well in your niche or in the area that you are creating content for it to do well, okay? What else about shorts? With shorts, you have to be on point. Like, you have to get straight to the point, because like I said, our attention span is very small. 15 seconds, 60 seconds. Then you have to keep trying different timings. You may do a 4-second shot that works well. You may do a 15-second shot that will work well. You may do a 20-second shot that will work well. So you need to keep trying different styles, different types of shots. There are different ways. Just look around, go on TikTok, go on Instagram Reels, get ideas, okay, and try out what works for you. You will not know what works until you try it, okay? So you just need to keep experimenting until one clicks. And when a particular title clicks for you, keep creating using that same title. Don't worry, don't try and be like, oh, I want variety. There's no, it doesn't work again. The internet of today, the YouTube of today. So you keep using that same title. That's why it is important that you create. I'm so sorry about the noise that people are hearing. I apologize in advance. Keep using it, because that you want to use keywords, title related to what you are doing, so that when you now create long form content, it's related to what you are doing, and the algorithm will push your content. Because all of us, we are looking for visibility. If you don't have umbrella, this is what to do right now, right? Create short videos. Initially, I thought that when I started creating short videos on my other channel, I felt like, oh, it was affecting the views. But I just realized that no, it's not affecting the views. It's just that you have to kiss many frogs, okay, before you find one that actually sticks for you. So just keep creating different types of short videos in your niche, and when one does well, keep creating that same type of short video as well as long form videos, so that the algorithm will push it. Anyway, like I said, this is a series, so if you are just stumbling across this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, because we are on a moving train. Very soon, some of this information will be for only my members. pass. Okay, so now that it's still in the open, subscribe, join the community. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to do another video on TikTok as well as making money on Reels and all of that in my next one. So subscribe and join the family. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.